Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW iDrive knob, updated. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorting. Lay down a clean cloth to protect trim pieces and collect small screws. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry up the center console trim around the knob. Keep fasteners organized and work methodically to avoid breaking clips or scratching surfaces. In this video, I will explain how to change BMW iDrive knob, updated. First, remove the surrounding trim with a plastic pry tool to expose screws and clips. Unscrew Torx fasteners and keep them organized by location. Gently rock the knob back and forth while pulling up to release the retaining clip without forcing it. Inspect the connector beneath and unplug any wiring before fully removing the old knob assembly. In this video, I will review how to change BMW iDrive knob, updated. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading long repair guides and schematics effortless while you work. It has a crisp screen and long battery life so you can follow steps without squinting under garage lights. If this helps, please subscribe and like so we can make more content. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to change BMW iDrive knob, updated. Begin by connecting the wiring harness to the new knob, ensuring a snug fit. Align the retaining clip and press the knob straight down until you hear a click. Reinstall Torx screws and snap the trim back into place, taking care not to force any tabs. Reconnect the battery and test rotation, push, and menu response to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.